Had to pay a few bills this weekend. Oh, so I called the clinic. The clinic says, okay, because I want to get Royal fixed. Oh, it's just Baba. So I want to get Royal fixed. And they say, okay, well, you got to do it online. You got to fill out like a request for an appointment. It's a simple request to let you know. And you can put in a couple dates that you would like. So I put in ASAP, waiting to hear back from that. Because he's got to go. He's got to go get, you know what I'm saying. I don't want to do this again. No more puppy business. Pups. Here they come. Look, here they come. Hold on, let me put it around this way. Here they are in all their glory. They're getting huge. Baby puppies! Check them out, everybody. Haha, I caught you. There's your parents. Look at this little puppy face. Are they scaring you? Here, let's get one that looks like Royal. Oh, this is a cute one too. This one's gonna have dark eyes. This one's gonna have dark eyes. Oh, there's one that looks like Royally. Blue eyes. This is Royal with blue eyes. I love this one too. So cute. Look how cute this one is. This one reminds me of Royally. It's just me. I'm coughing. Sorry, bud. This one is one that looks like Royally. It's got lighter eyes, but I don't think they're going to stay light. They might. I don't know. So, yes, those are the pups. No. Purple is spoken for. Little baby. And my parents went Raven. They just drink water, be drinking water. They're huge. All right, now you guys got to go outside because you're going to pee. You're going to pee everywhere. Woo! Almost straight over more. Shit. Come on. Come on. Come on. This way. Come here. Whoop. Hold on. Come here. No. Go back out there. Go back out there. Go. You go too. Nope, nope, nope. Nope. You. Oh my God, you guys made a mess. You made a mess everywhere, little puppies. The last two. Look how big they are. Hey, Voomba, thank you. 50K. And puppies. Oh, cute puppies. They love each other. Yes. All right, now you must go out. No, 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 no. Out. Come here, little buddy. It's okay. One more. No, 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 no. Whew. That's a pain in the ass. Royal Roxy, chill, man. I'm gonna give them a treat.